Give up on this thing.
Oh my gosh. So close.
Come on!
You can do it!
Get
Get it!
His natural thing is just to push it over.
Come on, get up.
Get a grip.
Oh, if his trunk was just a little like.
He just stretched out his trunk for this next try.
Is it where he can knock it?
Oh, man!
Get it.
Oh,
Got it.
Yeah.
And now his ring's on the outside. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Did you record that?
That is hilarious.
Now you got a new toy.
Put that on YouTube. I bet he has lots of hits.
That's
Yeah.
His ring's right
Oh, Mom, take it. Look at that. Oh my God. Knock it over. Recorded video.
I don't think he likes that tree very much.
It's like a weight.
Oh, yeah, look at this. Oh! No one's watching.
He'll probably get in some trouble for that. Solitary confinement. Yeah, that's it.
Now he needs his ring.
I know, that's what I said. It's too bad because his ring fell out of the cage.
Can you reach it?
He did that. The elephant's like, don't let him find out. Don't let him find out.
Don't tell my keepers. He did it. He did it. Wasn't me.
Dude, that tree is heavy. You can hear it.
Tony, look at him. He's trying.
Get the ring, buddy.
Get the ring. Get the ring.
Uh-oh. Get the ring.
He's eating the bark.
That was awesome. Yeah, I thought it was gunshots. That's what.
Oh, really? That was really amazing.
Oh, he's so close.
He can reach his ring now.
I think that was out of anger.
That's awesome. Look
Get the ring.
Look in the building. There's a trunk sticking out of the window.
Oh.
You see that, Tony?
The trunk out of the window.
There's a trunk sticking out of the window.
Looks like a snake. Oh, no.
Yes.
Watch. Other guy will go and get the ring. He is. He's going to take the ring out. That one guy worked on it so hard. I can't believe he just threw a tree out of the window.
That's got to be the coolest
That's
thing.
so cool.
Yeah, well, I wish I would have got that on video. Did you get it on video?